I tell you, you can experience snow right here in Vizag? Well, hello! Introducing the Vizag's first and AP's largest snow station at Vishwanath Sports Club. Step into a stunning snowy setup with French houses and igloo, ice benches and more. Woo, feel the thrill at -10 degrees Celsius as you slide down, build snowman and enjoy 50 minutes of frosty fun. At Snow Station, they've got you covered, like literally. They provide jackets, boots, gloves, socks and all that you need to have a safe and fun time inside. So mind your Princess Elsas and Prince Charmings, head over to the mystical snow world now and don't forget to check out the caption for more details.